Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Let's be positive to lead a happy and healthy life. Hope you like this video as well. Keep watching. Today's recipe is coconut milk rasam, which is also called as kobbari charu in Andhra, which is very delicious and creamy in texture. Let's see the ingredients for this recipe. Take one coconut and make into small pieces so that it can be easily blended. You need a handful of curry leaves, 2 tomatoes, 4 green chilies, coriander, and 3 tablespoons of roasted Bengal gram, which is also called as roasted chana dal. Mustard, cumin, turmeric, salt, and oil. Take a mixing jar, add the coconut pieces, and add 4 glasses of water and blend. Strain the milk out, which is around 500 ml of coconut milk. Then add the Bengal gram and green chilies in a blender and make it a fine powder. Now add 3 tablespoons of this powder in the coconut milk. Mix well so that no lumps are formed. Add half a tablespoon of salt and mix it well. Keep it aside. Now let's see the process. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add a half a spoon of mustard, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, one-fourth spoon of turmeric powder, and let it sort. Now add chopped tomatoes and fry it. Put a handful of curry leaves and let it sort for 2 minutes. The tomatoes are soft. Add the coconut milk which was mixed with the powder. And keep stirring. Keep mixing so that no lumps are formed. Add chopped coriander. Once the coconut milk mixture starts boiling, keep the flame low. And after few minutes, if the curry has become thick, you can add little water to dilute it. Switch off the flame and let it cool. Try out this recipe and let me know in the comments how you feel. Thank you for watching the video.